When you walk down onto a firing line in 2026, the landscape looks completely different than it did a decade ago. The old guard names still carry weight, but there is an absolute force in the market that is rewriting the rulebook on pure value. For years, the firearms community operated under a strict, unforgiving assumption. We believed that if you wanted a match-grade trigger, absolute reliability, and optics, ready slide straight from the factory, you had to spend at least $1,000. But a single manufacturer completely disrupted that entire mindset by offering high-performance, duty-ready firearms at a fraction of the cost. Today, we are looking at the definitive list of the top 6 best-value Canik pistols currently smashing sales records across the nation. We are moving past the marketing hype to show you exactly why these handguns are flying off gun store shelves faster than factories can produce them. Every option on this list delivers an incredible performance to dollar ratio, but our number one pick is a heavyweight contender that is actively out, shooting full-blown custom race guns costing 3 times its price. Make sure you are locked in as we dive deep into the mechanical architecture of these record-breaking platforms. Number 5. Canik METE MC9. Next up on our countdown is a micro-compact phenomenon that completely reshaped the everyday carry market. The Canik METE MC9, commanding a highly attractive retail price of $439.99. The concealed carry community has been aggressively moving towards smaller, thinner, high-capacity defensive handguns. But for a long time, buying a subcompact carry piece meant you had to accept a harsh recoil impulse, a short 2-finger grip, and a mediocre trigger system. Canik engineered the MC9 specifically to solve those chronic subcompact complaints, packing full-sized shootability into an ultra-concealable pocket frame. Mechanically, the METE MC9 is built around a short 3.18-inch match-grade barrel. The slide is precision, machined straight from the factory with a dedicated micro-optic cut that accepts the popular Shield RMSC footprint, allowing you to mount a red dot sight directly to the steel without using bulky adapter plates. Despite its diminutive size, it safely carries a 12-round flush magazine or a 15-round extended magazine, giving you full-size defensive firepower in a footprint that completely disappears under a thin summer t-shirt. The ergonomics of the MC9 are a masterclass in space optimization. The polymer grip texture is altered to be slightly more aggressive than their full-sized line, ensuring the tiny gun stays firmly anchored in your hands during rapid fire. The frame features a subtle undercut below the trigger guard, which allows your hand to sit as high as possible relative to the bore axis, naturally dampening muzzle climb and reducing felt recoil. It handles fast, draws cleanly from a inside-the-waistband holster, and points intuitively during dynamic target transitions. The action runs on a modified single-action striker system that retains the brand's legendary crisp trigger signature. The trigger breaks cleanly with an exceptionally short travel distance, followed by a microscopic tactile reset click that makes fast follow-up shots, remarkably easy to execute. The verdict for the Canik METE MC9 is clear. It is a feature-rich, optics, ready deep concealment carry champion that shatters sales records because it refuses to compromise on capacity, ergonomics, or trigger quality. Number 4. Canik METE SF. Taking the 4th position on our list is the ultimate all-compact crossover asset. The Canik METE SF coming in with a highly competitive retail price point of $519.99. If you are looking for a single handgun that can seamlessly transition between everyday concealed carry, duty holster use, and home defense duty, the compact SF configuration is the sweet spot. It is designed to compete directly with the industry standards of the mid-sized polymer world, but it brings advanced manufacturing features to the table that normally require expensive custom shop upgrades. The core engineering of the METE SF features a mid-sized 4.19-inch barrel nestled inside an optics reedy slide layout. The internal geometry represents an evolutionary step for the brand, utilizing an upgraded chassis system with integrated flared magwell properties built right into the bottom of the polymer frame. The slide cutout is uniquely engineered to allow you to co-witness your electronic red dot reticle perfectly with the factory 3-dot metallic iron sights, ensuring you always have a redundant aiming plane if your optic battery dies under stress. Comfort and custom fit are where the METE SF truly shines. The frame is contoured with an extended beavertail tang that completely protects your hand from slide bite, while allowing for an incredibly high, firm purchase on the weapon. It utilizes standard 15-round steel magazines, keeping the grip length compact enough to avoid printing through clothing, while still providing a full 4-finger master grip for absolute weapon control. The balance of the 4-inch barrel paired with the compact frame makes the weapon track incredibly flat during rapid string testing at the range. The trigger system features Canik's short reset engineering, breaking like glass right around 4.5 pounds of pressure. The reset is instantaneous, requiring your finger to move only a fraction of a millimeter forward before you can stage your next shot. The verdict for the Canik METE SF is definitive. It represents the perfect mid-sized multi-mission defensive pistol, offering top-tier custom frame ergonomics, optics integration, and a match-grade trigger for just over $500. Number 3. Canik SFX rival moving into the top 3 spots. We find the polymer, framed competitive juggernaut that completely shook up the shooting sports world, the Canik SFX rival, holding an MSRP of $679.99. For the longest time, entering the competitive shooting arena or purchasing a dedicated high-capacity tactical speed pistol meant you had to buy a specialized gun and spend hundreds more on slide milling fiber optic sights and custom trigger tuning. Canik engineered the rival straight out of the box to be completely compliant with all major competitive shooting league rules while offering premium race, gun features at a standard production price tag. The technical specifications of the SFX rival are genuinely impressive. It utilizes a full-length 5-inch match, grade barrel surrounded by an aggressively milled slide featuring weight, reducing window cuts and deep serrations. These slide windows are not just cosmetic. They are precisely engineered to reduce the reciprocating mass of the slide, allowing the gun to cycle faster and settle back onto target with virtually zero muzzle flip. The gun ships with an adjustable rear target sight and a high-visibility fiber optic front sight thread, giving you a crystal-clear sight picture under bright stadium lights or outdoor ranges. Ergonomically, the rival is a pure high-speed handling machine. It features an extended, reversible magazine release button that can be customized with different-sized paddles to fit your thumbs perfectly. The frame features an aggressive, blocky texture pattern that stays locked in your hands, even when running drills with sweaty or wet palms. The gun includes an aluminum-flared magazine well adapter that acts like a funnel, allowing for lightning-fast blind magazine changes under the clock. The crown jewel of the SFX rival is its flat-faced aluminum trigger assembly. The trigger breaks at a crisp 90-degree angle with a pull weight averaging between 3.5 and 4 pounds. There is virtually zero over-travel, and the reset is the shortest and most tactile of any polymer striker. Fired pistol on the modern market. The verdict for the Canik SFX rival is clear. It is a dominant match, ready race gun disguised as a production pistol, completely embarrassing much more expensive competition options on a pure performance per dollar scale. Number 2. Canik TTI Combat, taking the second position on our list, is a premier feature-loaded elite collaboration model that has taken the market by storm. The Canik TTI Combat, commanding a retail price point of $999.99. Designed in direct partnership with Terran Butler of Terran Tactical Innovations, this firearm was built to offer full-blown custom shop features, premium metallurgy, and elite combat aesthetics straight from the dealer's shelf. It represents a high-water mark for what can be achieved when a major manufacturer opens its factory to one of the most famous custom builders in the world. The core engineering of the TTI Combat centers around a unique 4.6-inch ported and compensated barrel design. The slide is finished in a custom burnt bronze Cerakote coating, featuring aggressive TTI signature slide cuts, and an integrated single-port compensator built right into the barrel architecture. This compensator catches the expanding high-pressure gases from the 9mm cartridge and blasts them upward, generating continuous downward physical force that holds the muzzle dead flat during rapid fire sequences. The gun feeds from massive 18 and 21-round steel magazines featuring custom bronze base pads. The ergonomics of the TTI Combat are aggressively tuned for high-speed tactical handling. The polymer grip frame is wrapped in a highly specialized custom TTI grip texture pattern that offers maximum friction without being overly abrasive against your skin or clothing. It features an ultra-low profile optics mounting interface that allows premium red dot sights to sit incredibly deep inside the slide, bringing your dot closer to the actual mechanical bore axis for more intuitive aiming. The trigger system inside the TTI Combat is a work of art. It features an exceptionally tuned, flat-faced competition trigger with a ultralight, crisp break and a hair-thin reset window. The cycling action feels incredibly slick and positive, tracking straight back and forward with zero lateral wiggle. The verdict for the Canik TTI Combat is undeniable. It is a gorgeous, ultra-flat shooting, feature rich custom combat weapon system that delivers thousands of dollars worth of elite custom shop engineering for a sub-$1,000 investment. Number 1. Canik SFX Rival-S, sitting proudly at the absolute pinnacle of our list, as the ultimate value champion smashing sales records everywhere, is the Canik SFX Rival-S, holding a masterclass retail price point of $949.99. Over the last few years, the highest echelons of competitive shooting and tactical duty have been completely taken over by heavy all-steel framed pistols. The extra weight of a steel frame provides an elite ballistic advantage that polymer simply cannot match, but steel frames are expensive to machine, usually pushing gun prices well past $2,000. Canik completely shattered that economic barrier by launching a fully forged steel-framed version of their legendary rival for under $1,000. The defining engineering milestone of the SFX Rival-S is its pure, heavy-duty forged steel frame. This all-steel construction pushes the unloaded weight of the pistol up to a massive 42.7 ounces. When you chamber a round and bring this gun to bear, that pure metal mass completely transforms the physics of shooting. The extra weight acts as a massive physical anchor in your hands. When a 9mm round detonates, the kinetic recoil energy is completely absorbed by the steel frame before it can travel into your wrists, resulting in virtually zero muzzle flip. The gun tracks absolutely dead flat, allowing you to fire multiple rounds into a single, ragged hole at 25 yards with breathtaking ease. Ergonomically, the steel frame allows for a highly modular, customizable grip architecture. It features interchangeable grip panels and back straps, allowing you to perfectly adjust the swell and texture of the metal frame to match your hands. The weight distribution is masterfully balanced, placing the bulk of the mass directly over your firing hand to ensure the 5-inch match barrel points intuitively without feeling front-heavy. The single-action striker trigger on the Rival-S is the absolute best factory trigger on the market regardless of price, because the trigger housing is pinned directly into a rigid steel frame rather than a flexible polymer shell. All mechanical flex is entirely eliminated. The flat-faced trigger breaks with a crystal-clear glass-like snap that feels like snapping a fragile glass rod, followed by an immediate, instantaneous reset click. The verdict for the Canik SFX Rival-S is absolute. It is a world-class steel-framed engineering miracle that completely dominates sales records by giving everyday American shooters a premium, custom-tier steel race gun for a production-level price tag. Navigating the modern firearms market can easily feel overwhelming, but the meteoric rise of these record-breaking platforms proves that modern engineering can completely democratize high-end performance. From the rugged sub-$400 simplicity of the TP9SF to the heavy metal match, winning precision of the steel-framed Rival-S, the entire lineup represents a magnificent triumph of industrial craftsmanship and value-driven design. They prove that you do not need to overpay or clear out your savings account to secure an elite trigger, a highly precise barrel, and absolute out-of-the-box reliability. But remember, a premium tool is only as good as the marksman behind the sights. If you want to truly unlock the record-shattering potential of these handguns, you must invest your time into masterclassing the core fundamentals of trigger isolation, grip tension, and regular range training. If this deep mechanical analysis helped you find the perfect high-value asset for your collection, do me a massive favor. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more raw, unfiltered tactical storytelling, and drop a comment down below, letting me know exactly which Canik pistol is riding in your holster right now. Stay safe, train hard, and I will see you on the next one.